Good afternoon. How can I help you? Good evening. How can I help you? Good evening. How can I help you? Good evening. How can I help you?
Who are you?
I'm your virtual assistant.
How are you?
Hey, I'm good.
Which color you like?
I like all the 7 colors of a rainbow.
Tell me something.
You can ask me anything.
Tell me a joke.
Did you hear about the guy whose whole left side was cut off? He's all right now.
Another joke.
How do you fix a damaged jack-o'-lantern? You use a pumpkin patch.
Toss a coin.
It's a tail.
Roll a dice.
Number 5.
Read some news.
Today top headlines are: Red Cross tries again to reach devastated Mariupol. Russians leave devastation in Ukraine's new hero city. Gruesome evidence points to war crimes on road to Kyiv. Why this cartoon was banned in Russia. War ignites Hungary's tightest election challenge.
Show me images of cat. Show me images of nature. Give me direction.
Tell me your start point.
New Delhi.
Tell me your destination point.
New York.
Total distance from New Delhi to New York is 11,754.75 kilometers.
What is the meaning of accumulator?
A rechargeable device for storing electrical energy in the form of chemical energy, consisting of one or more separate secondary cells \n, source, said.
What is the meaning of acidity?
The state of being acid that is of being capable of transferring a hydrogen ion in solution.
What are the COVID cases around the world?
Here are the COVID cases all over world.
What are the COVID symptoms?
Here are some COVID symptoms.
What are the COVID prevention measures?
Here are some COVID preventions.
Translate a sentence.
What do you want to translate?
This is a book.
In which language you want to translate?
Spanish.
Here is translated text.
Set timer for 20 seconds.
Timer started.
What is the date?
April 2nd.
What is the time?
4 hour 12 minute PM.
What is my CPU usage?
CPU is 28.8%.
What is my battery percentage?
Battery 100% charging.
My system information.
Here is your system information. Machine, AMD 64. Version, 10.0.19041. Platform, Windows 10-10.0.19041 SP0. System, Windows. Processor, Intel 64 Family 6 Model 142 Stepping 9, Genuine Intel.
What is the value of sin 30?
Result is 0.50.
What is the value of tan 45?
Result is 1.00.
What is the value of cos 60?
Result is 0.50.
Factorial of 8.
Result is 40,320.
Factorial of 5.
Result is 120.
What is the binary of 33?
Result is 100,001.
What is the binary of 12?
Result is 1,100.
2 plus 3 multiplied by 9 divided by 45.
Result is 2.6.
Table of 8.
Here are the table of 8.
Table of 15.
Here are the table of 15.
Left shift of 3.
Result is 6.
Right shift of 2.
Result is 1.
What is the value of log 20?
Result is 1.30.
What is the value of log 35?
Result is 1.54.
Create an Excel file.
Sure creating. File created.
Create a PowerPoint file.
Sure creating. File created.
Create a Word file.
Sure creating. File created.
Add an item in my list.
What do you want to add?
Buy vegetables and fruits.
An item is added in your list.
Add another item in my list.
What do you want to add?
Dinner at restaurant.
An item is added in your list.
Show my list.
Here are your list items. You have 2 items in your list. 1734, buy vegetables and fruits. 1735, dinner at restaurant.
Increase the volume. Decrease the volume. What is the weather report?
Today temperature is 37 degrees with haze and humidity is 14%.
Show my pet. Open egg catcher game. Search on Google.
What do you want to search?
What is hydrochloric acid?
Here you go.
Create a normal file.
Sure, creating. File created.
Type, my name is Tushar. Press enter. Type, this is a notebook. Save it. Select all. Delete it. Close window. Press enter. Open Google. YouTube. Facebook. WhatsApp. Search on YouTube.
What do you want to search?
Spider-Man No Way Home.
Here you go.
Close window. Play a video on YouTube.
Tell me a video name.
Avengers Endgame trailer.
Have fun.
Close
seems like
window.
1,000 years ago.
Download a video from YouTube.
Enter a YouTube video URL. Download starts.
Play music.
Playing Arcando, In My Head, feat. Brit Laurie, MCS release.
Send a message.
To whom you want send message. What message you want to send.
This is an automated message sent by my virtual assistant. Bhagat Singh Wikipedia.
Bhagat Singh, September 27, 1907 March 23, 1931, was a charismatic Indian revolutionary who participated in the mistaken murder of a junior British police officer in what was to be retaliation for the death of an Indian nationalist. He later took part in a largely symbolic bombing of the Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi and a hunger strike in prison, which on the back of sympathetic coverage in Indian-owned newspapers turned him into a household name in Punjab region, and after his execution at age 23 into a martyr and folk hero in northern India. Borrowing ideas from Bolshevism and anarchism, he electrified a growing militancy in India in the 1930s, and prompted urgent introspection within the Indian National Congress' non-violent but eventually successful campaign for India's independence.
Good. How about you? Why did the burglar hang his mugshot on the wall? To prove that he was framed. 8 hour 13 minute p.m. April 2nd. Today top headlines are: protesters in occupied town violently dispersed. Russians leave devastation in Ukraine's new hero city. Gruesome evidence points to war crimes on road to Kiev. Why this cartoon was banned in Russia. War ignites Hungary's tightest election challenge. It's ahead. Number 1.